start. Mr. Chairman, I have the honor to present the report of the Planning Commission on the second 5-year plan. Slightly over 3.5 years ago, I had the privilege to present the report of the first 5-year plan to this House. At that time, the first plan had already been functioning for about a year and a half by the time that report was ready and was presented to Parliament. Now we have come to this House soon after the second 5-year plan is supposed to have begun. That began on the 1st April. These dates are convenient to consider these matters, but of course there is no break between the first and the second, and the third planning is continuous. The implementation of a plan is continuous, just as the life and activities of the country are continuous. Nevertheless, it is helpful to see in these periods of time so as to how far we have gone and what we have achieved, and to decide what to do in the future. Honorable members will get this rather bulky volume containing the report from the notice office today. They will also probably get summaries of it cyclo-styled, I think, for the present, but they will be printed very soon and circulated to members. In addition to this, the Planning Commission proposes to issue as soon as possible bigger summaries in printed book form, not only in English but also in the various Indian languages. Sections of the book separately printed, and also other material dealing with this. I understand that it has been decided that joint committees of this House and of the Lok Sabha should consider this report from today onwards, and sometime today the chairman of those 4 committees will meet the members and the Minister of Planning to decide on their procedure, and they will consider this for about a week. Those committees will be divided up, taking 4 groups of subjects. Roughly speaking, this report can be divided up into 2 parts. The second part dealing with the detailed program and projects and the first part with the broader issues, members will no doubt be interested in both parts, more especially in so far as the detailed program applies to their own areas, but probably the first part containing the broad policies, approach, etc., will be more important from the point of view of this house, because it is from that the rest follows, and I imagine that when the time comes, as it will in about a week's time or so, for this house to debate on this report, more attention will be paid to the first part containing the principles, etc. In regard to the details, it would be more convenient for them to be considered whenever necessary, not in a debate in this house, but by honorable members meeting the minister for planning or other representatives of the planning commission and discussing them with them. It is